Okay, lesson 20. This one, all it did was basically, can you look at the graph, find the slope, find the y-intercept, then write the slope-intercept equation, and then move the x back to the left side so it'll be in standard form. So we'll go something similar to this. I have a graph here. I have a point here at 0, 8. I know this is my y-intercept because of 0, 8. I know then that I have this 8 plus. I know the rest is going to be y equals something times x. Now I have a point here. This is negative 5, 0. Okay, so I have negative 5, 0. And then I have 0, 8. Now this is my P1 and my P2 and my R1 and my R2. This is still just as easy as it ever was. What is 0 minus 8? Negative 8. What is negative 5 minus 0? Negative 5. Negative 8 fifths. Negative 8 5. Remember the negatives cancel, making this simply 8 over 5. And I am done. Now, for the putting it back into ax plus by form. Well, the y is already over there. So if 8 over 5x is positive on the right side of the equal sign, and here's your equal sign, if it's positive over here, it's got to be negative over there. So when I rewrite it, I'll just write negative 8 over 5x plus y equals 8. It's just as easy as that. Okay? Here's another one, and we'll go ahead and make it something simpler. We'll make this 4. And we'll just put a point over here somewhere and just make one up. I like that. So now, because this intercept is 4, I'm going to put it down here at the bottom. Okay? This is 0, 4. So I'm going to say 0, 4. But that's also going to be y equals, I have no idea yet, but x is going to be plus 4. Right? Now I just got to find what my slope is. So this is 0, 4, and this is 5, 1. And I'll make it easy for you to see. 0, 4, 5, comma 1. Now it says it's the difference. The slope is, again, the difference between the rises of my y values over my x values. So 4 minus 1. That part equals 3. 0 minus 5 equals negative 5. So that's negative 3 fifths. That goes here. Negative 3 fifths. Okay? And we know it's going to be negative because when we connect our lines, we end up with a negative slope. Okay? Now, some of you are still doing this, making little short lines. That's a segment. A line pretty much goes to the end of the graph. You put an arrow on each end. Okay? And technically, that's it. You can, if there's going to be more than one graph on it, you label. Now, I have this. Y equals negative 3 fifths x plus 4. Remember, if in standard form, it's something x plus something y equals the constant. So if it's negative 3 fifths x over here, it's going to be positive. So it becomes 3 fifths x plus y equals 4. Slope intercept, standard form. Just like that. And that's all you had to do. Too easy. 4 minutes. Explain the whole thing.